apparently I haven't been a good boy. I haven't been checking it. So my wife called me earlier, and then I had another friend reach out to me and said, hey man, have you checked your P.O. box lately? And I was like, oh, no. I thought I hadn't checked it in a month, but it's been like 2 months. So check this out. So if you guys have sent me stuff, I apologize. I'm gonna get to it right now. Let's get it opened up. Let's see what's in here. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me. Moved over to my toolbox so we can get a better angle of what's going on here. So I'm just gonna start opening these up. Anyways, oh, we got a helmet. Got that down there stuffed in there. I think this is a helmet. Check this out. You know, I think there was a video when I was mud racing that I had to borrow Rory's helmet just like this. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, it's perfect. Dude, thank you, man. Appreciate you. I don't know if I know your name. What are these? Face mask? Yeah, face masks. There's like 3 of them here. Got 3 face masks. That's cool. That's really cool. What's in here? What's in here? Whoa. Whoa. What does this go to? I sent you some washable dust masks, a couple wire harnesses, and a Exo helmet that I no longer have a need for. I suspect you will find a use for everything, especially the helmet. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate you. I enjoy your video content, especially when you include family. I do too, and I want to do a lot more of that. Keep up the good work in the shop and stay safe on the road when you ride with Sean. William, thank you, man. Chandler, Arizona, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. We just put some lights and stuff on my son's truck. We definitely could have used these, so maybe we'll revisit that. But I also got some stuff that I need to wire up on the Fall Guy as well. And my daughter's been driving that around, so yeah. You know how that goes. I haven't even got to see the truck lately. Thank you very much, William. I appreciate that, man. Hollister, California in the house. This one says, my name is Mario. I won't say your last name. And I have been watching your videos and have enjoyed them very much. You remind me of when I was a teenager, painting cars in my parents' garage too. Awesome, man. You put LOL, that's cool, man. Anyway, I like what you're doing and want to contribute in my own way, so here are 2 original old school KC daylight lights for you. No way. I gotta have a look first. Check it out, dude. Mikey just walked in. Oh, it's got the covers on it. The old schools, man.
That is sick.
How did those come off there?
Who sent you those? That's badass.
Mario. So yeah,
sick.
Appreciate you, Mario.
Hell yeah.
Got both of them in here.
Put them on the...
I need to finish reading your letter real quick. Okay, I got excited when he said KC Daylighters. I've had these lights for over 20 years on my 2002 Jeep TJ, and they have reliably lit up trails at night for me here in Northern California. The covers show a little wear, but that goes with being on my Jeep for 20 plus years. I think they would be perfect for a Fall Guy. What do you think? I think they are perfect for the Fall Guy. I might have to redo some of the lights I had, and probably when you sent me these is probably before I put the lights on that truck. So I apologize for not checking my P.O. box for like 2 months, 2.5 months. So my wife's work is right next door to where the P.O. box is. So she usually just jumps in there and does it, or I'll stop by every now and then. So I guess we have both been miscommunicating and not going to check it out. So yeah, that's awesome. They have traveled with me to the Fordyce, Rubicon, Strawberry, Slick Rock, Deer Valley, Pismo Beach, and Moab trails. Awesome. So they have special meaning to me. I hope they light the way down the dusty trail for you too. Awesome, dude. Thank you. Adios, amigo. Thank you. Thank you, Mario. Appreciate it. Dude, that's cool. Or maybe put them on the bumper or something. Because I got that. Yeah. I got the new bumper for it yesterday.
Yeah.
The new bumper coming soon. So this one is the one that I kind of knew about. Well, he's the one that was like, so how often, do you check your P.O. box? That's what got me thinking, my wife hasn't said anything. I haven't said anything. So I asked my wife last night. And she said, well, I'll just go check it in the morning because it was a little late yesterday to go. And she was like, I should have brought a truck with all these boxes that she had. this open. Oh, I ripped the box. That's good. That's what you do. Oh, it's heavy. He's got it taped up. Oh, I got it backwards. Let go. Oh, he's got it taped up everywhere. Everywhere's taped. Everywhere's taped. Oh yeah. So you guys go check out Cadillacus Rod and Custom. Cadillacus Rod and Custom. He does a lot of cool stuff. He's got a really cool dent side forward tow truck that I've been talking and hinting about, but I don't think he's gonna sell it to me. I don't have any money. So anyways, oh look, every shop needs a door sign. That's what this dude is really, really, really good at. All hand painted lettering. Don't know if I was supposed to tear that or not. Trying to be delicate if I can. Oh, yes.
Sick.
Check that out.
That is bad.
Got stuff in the way there.
That is cool.
Dude, that is cool. Let me grab the, I still have the helmet on. Check that out. That's hand lettered, pinstriped and painted by Jesse. Go check him out. What was it? Cadillacus? Yeah, Cadillacus Rod and Custom. He does a lot of cool stuff over there. Just starting out on YouTube, trying to gain followers just like everybody else. So go check him out there in Utah. He's in the Sunnyside area, I believe. Sunnyside, Utah. He's got a lot of cars, a lot of cool builds. I think he just got a rock crawler. I believe it's a Toyota. But yeah, he's got hot rods, pickup trucks, and a really cool tow truck. So, dude, that is awesome. Look at the detail and everything in that. That's all hand done. Appreciate that, dude. So you guys pop over there, check him out, go give him a like, give him a follow, or at least give him a comment, tell him you seen it here, and I appreciate it, man. That's awesome. Sorry, Jesse, for not checking my PO box. That's a big problem. I'm gonna crossways. Thank you guys all for the gifts. Every gift means the world to me. I appreciate it. Tools, whatever. Thank you guys. I'm not asking for nothing. So when people do this stuff, it's out of the kindness of their heart. And look at that. That's awesome. We appreciate you. Thank you guys. And back to the video. You can tell it's paint day. So we haven't been filming a lot lately. We haven't been putting out many videos lately. Been really busy. We got it jammed. That's the gray that you can see around all the little edges there. It's all jammed. It's all ready to go. Car is looking really good. I just wiped it down like 2 times in a row. I'm gonna do one more time, and then I'm gonna tack rag it right before I start spraying. And that's it. Hopefully I can set the camera up somewhere where I won't get paint on my lens, and hopefully you guys can still see. Floor's wet. Like I said, I'm gonna wipe it one more time, and then we're gonna mix up Nardo Gray, for anybody wondering. It's going Nardo Gray with an orange metallic over it. Orange pearl metallic over it, and it's gonna be hard. Got done with the second coat of gray. Now we move into binder, which is a mid coat with the pearl and metallic and stuff in it. This paint has no metallic in it. That's why I was able to just paint a door, paint a fender. If I had any metallic in it, I would have had to move the entire way. But now we are putting pearl and we are putting metallic in the mid coat, and what that helps to do when you clear coat it is it lets it kind of float around a little bit gives it a lot deeper look because you're doing 3 different layers there, and it just gives you a lot deeper look. So that's what we're doing. And right now we got the Valspar VRB 30. So it's the same thing as the paint that I just painted. This is the same paint. This just has no tint in it, no color, no anything. And what I'm doing right now is I got a little bit of a formula. I'm just using caps, the cap from that. So 2 caps for 1 gallon is kind of what I came up with, basically. So that'll get us real close in that neighborhood. Okay, you can kind of see that orange. Kind of see that orange in there now, maybe. Yeah. We wanted a lot, so we put 2 full caps, and I did a half cap more. I didn't go ahead and put a third. All right, we got the pearl on. 2 coats, kind of just dusting it, walking up and down, try to keep it as even as possible. Yeah, just trying to make it even as possible, walked up and down it. Then the last coat I kind of just dry, different directions. Almost a dry looking coat. I always put at the end, hopefully I can get it to be consistent and the same. It's kind of even a mist coat. I did 2 good coats, and then I kind of did 2 kind of mist coats, just misting it every which way, every which direction. So yeah, I don't know if that's picking it up or not, but it seems pretty uniform, seems good, everything's making me happy now. So let it air out in here and flash off for just a little bit, and then we're gonna hit it pretty heavy with clear. I'm gonna try for 3 coats. I'm gonna use the 7500 series this time. Usually I use the 7400 series. The 7500 is a little more expensive. It's supposed to last a super long time. 15 USC hardener with a 7500 clear coat. I don't do a tack coat like I've said in the past. Even my first clear coat is pretty heavy. I put it on heavy because I feel like if you put it on or just kind of tack coat it, you leave little bumps. I don't know, it's just my way. So this has no metallic in it, no metal flake, no anything. So I won't have to walk the entire length of the car. Okay guys, check it out. It's actually 2 days later. So,
Look at that. That is really, really cool. I like that.
so anyways, like I was saying, so it's actually 2 days later. Let's see what happened. I put the 2 coats of clear on, and I think I had just had it. My back was killing me, and it's not always the worst idea to just stop, let it go ahead, tack up. I came in yesterday, just nibbed some of the little dust particles and dirt out of it. Not very much, didn't take very long. Just hit it with like some 600, just where we could see any little dust particles and stuff. Mikey came in here and helped me. Didn't get any runs, I don't think. At least not in that coat. I don't think I got any in this coat either, but after that coat, then we wiped it all down, tack ragged it off, same as always, and I put 1 more coat on it. So it's got 3 coats of clear with this last one. And it's pretty darn shiny. And if I can catch the light just right, you can see some little dust particles and stuff, which I'm gonna get. I don't have a paint booth, so I'm always gonna get little dust particles and stuff, which we knew about, and that's where cutting and buffing will clean all that up. All right, got moved outside. Got moved outside real quick, just checking it out. You kind of catch that orange every now and then.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. There you go. Got Mr. Gear hard. Missed a gear real hard.